This short-tailed parrot is native to the islands in Solomon, Sumba, New Guinea, and Australia. It is famous for extreme differences in plumage colors of males and females. Males of the species have emerald green plumage with some yellow spot on the head, whereas the female are bright red and blue. These parrots are very short-lived and only have a lifespan of up to 30 years. Nine, cockatoos. These predominantly white and black plumage parrots are mostly found in Australia, Philippines, and Indonesia. They are larger in size as compared to other parrots and are found distributed in 29 species. With an average lifespan of more than 30 years, these gorgeous birds are highly social and make very favorable pets. They live in the form of groups, with the biggest reported number of 32,000 in a single flock. 8. Macaws. Known as the giants of the parrots, these vibrant colored beasts are mostly found in the forests of South America. They have a long, streamlined physique and curvy beaks. Their diversely colorful plumage gives them their unique identities. These birds can be up to 40 inches in length. They are highly social and affectionate towards humans. With more than 18 different species, this bird is the most popular choice among pet lovers. Seven, conure. These small to medium-sized birds are found only in the Western Hemisphere. They are 10 to 20 inches long with variable weights. It lives in the form of flocks of 20 or more birds. They are referred as clown parrots because of their extreme social behavior. Six, lorikeets. This South Australian parrot breed is one of the most beautiful parrot species in the world. It is also known as rainbow lorikeet and is mostly endemic to the woodlands and rainforests of Queensland. It is normally 12 inches in length and weighs around 150 grams. Its bright greenish-yellow plumage is embellished by its deep blue colored head. The males and females are nearly undistinguishable, but can be differentiated by a small difference in coloring. It has an average lifespan of 30 years and has a very social nature. Five, parakeet. A generic name used for any of the small to medium-sized parrot breed is parakeet. Their long feathered tail renders them unique from all the other parrots. Its most common species is the budgie. It is considered as the beginner's bird because of its highly social nature. It reaches a maximum of 10 inches in length and has a bright green plumage. It is also known for its ability to talk. In terms of learning how to talk, these birds beat all the other rivals in the market. 4. African greys. The African gray parrot is the oldest psittacine species on the planet. It is a medium-sized parrot with a gray plumage and a bright red tail. Its sparkling orange eyes and beautiful patterns make it a unique bird of its kind. It typically weighs around 400 grams and is 13 inches in length. It has an amazing ability to learn new words and speaks fluently with little training. In addition to all this, it is one of the most intelligent birds in the world. Three, bronze-winged parrot. Found in the woodlands and forests of South America, this cute bird is famous for its dark patchy chin and pink feathered look. The beak is pale yellow, and the underparts are of dark bronze-green color. It is nearly 11 inches in size and normally weighs around 200 grams. This parrot breed likes to stay in solitude if in the wild. But for the birds in captivity, they behave normally. They have a lifespan of around 30 years. 2. Cockatiels. Found in the wetlands of Australia, the cockatiel is the smallest bird of the cockatoo family. Initially considered to be a small cockatoo, recent research has casted it into a separate category of species. It has a vertically erectile crest, just like the cockatoo, which is used to express its emotional state. It has a normal size between 12 to 13 inches, which is smaller as compared to other cockatoo species. It has a shorter lifespan of about 20 years only. One, hawk-headed parrots. Hawk-headed parrot is also known as the red fan parrot and is mostly endemic to the Amazonian rainforests. It is normally found in multiple regions like Ecuador, Bolivia, Colombia, and Brazil. It has elongated neck feathers which are raised like a fan. These feathers make them look bigger and are helpful in particular situations. They are around 14 inches in length and have variable weights. With a lifespan of about 40 years, this bird is considered to be one of the most beautiful ones in the world.